Let's play some Minecraft on my PS3.
We interrupt your program for the monthly emergency alert system test. Guys, don't worry. We are just testing to see if the connections and network functions are working properly. Okay, you may return to your programs.
What? The? Fuck! The emergency alert system provider had to interrupt the middle of my fucking game? That's just rude. That's it. I am going to kill the man who's responsible.
Macusoper, I don't know what the hell are you mad about, but you need to shut the fuck up and stop whining like a bitch. It really annoys me when you are complaining about shit.
Diesel, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. I am fucking pissed off right now. When Macusoper Busters went to the emergency alert system provider studio.
Young man, what the hell are you doing here, and why do you have a gun pointing in front of my face?
Oh, shut the fuck up and don't move a muscle. This is what you're gonna get for interrupting my gameplay of Minecraft on my PlayStation 3. So I'm going to kill your ass right now.
Fuck!
Okay, now since you are dead, you don't have to make the emergency alert system reports and never interrupt my gameplays on PlayStation 3 ever again. Enjoy your life of misery in hell, you bitch.
You bitch. How dare you kill the emergency alert system reporter?
Well, because he just interrupted with his emergency alert system monthly report and ruining my gameplay of Minecraft. And that's why I had to kill him to death.
I really don't care. No excuses, young man. You are grounded for life. Go upstairs, you little bitch.